Right, and today is July 14th, 2025, and we have the District 3 Environmental Commission meeting in Stratford, Vermont, to conduct a pre-hearing conference on application 3R1135, filed by Rachel Kendall for the use of existing buildings for women's wellness, including regular yoga classes, weddings, receptions, and the musical events on a tract exceeding 1 acre located at 20 Kendall Road in Stratford, Vermont. My name is Suzanne Butterfield. I'm acting chair for this hearing. I reside in Stockbridge, Vermont, and our fellow commission member, Ashley Lincoln, is not on as of yet. This is our third day of hearings and is described in our June 26th hearing notice. The purpose of this hearing is to cure the defect in the hearing notice for our May 21st hearing. We're going to move to the business at hand quickly, but first I'm going to go over some preliminaries. This meeting is subject to Vermont's open meeting laws. By participating, you are consenting to being audio-visually recorded, and for that recording to be published in the board's online database and/or YouTube channel. 1. In addition, any written information or exhibits provided to the Commission or Act 250 staff regarding official state business are considered public records and will become part of the permanent record to be published in the board's online database. 2, the chat function has been disabled for this team's meeting. 3, this hearing is being recorded, including any noises, barking dogs, personal conversations, etc., made when your microphone is not muted. Therefore, please mute your microphone when not speaking. 4, if you would like to speak during the hearing, please raise your hand if you are in the hearing room. If you are participating online via Teams, please use the raise hand feature, which is located in the toolbar in the top center of your screen. If you are participating exclusively by telephone, press *6 to unmute and speak up so that we can hear you. 5, for the audio-visual record and for the benefit of those participating solely by telephone, please state your name before speaking and, if relevant, your street address. 6, finally, and this is important, please do not log into the Microsoft Teams meeting on a computer or other device and participate on your phone at the same time, because that will cause some very distracting audio feedback that can greatly disrupt the hearing. Attendance. Let's start the meeting by taking a roll call attendance of all persons participating in the meeting today. Is there anyone here in the room that has not yet signed in using the sign-in sheet? You do not need to sign in again if you did so at our first hearing.
There you go.
Do we need sign-in sheets?
We don't. Go ahead. What's the next?
The next one is stop to see if anyone new is here. If so, identify each new person and collect contact info if necessary.
Don't think is there anyone online who's new? I think Gertrude Fondren and Linda Titus and Stephen Wilbanks and Kathleen Taft all have been here before, correct?
Okay.
We're good.
Ex parte communications. Outside of today's proceedings, may I remind everyone that all communications, whether by letter, email, telephone, or in person, must flow through Pete Kopsko, our district coordinator, and not through other parties or commission members. As I mentioned, the purpose of this hearing is to cure the defect in the notice of our last hearing. This is also an opportunity for anyone who wishes to request party status under 10 VSA 6085C3. Before turning to those questions, does anyone have any questions?
Let's give it a sec in case anyone raises their hand online.
Does anyone wish to request party status? All right, assuming no. Thank you all for your participation.
Does anyone, there was another question.
Object? Oh,
yeah, there we go.
Does anyone have any objection to the commission ratifying the proceedings that took place on May 21st? And if so, please explain what the rule is. Okay, now. Thank you all for your participation and for your patience as we attempt to meet our obligations under the open meeting law. Next, the commission will issue a hearing recess order, which keeps the record open for a time. A hearing recess order asks the applicant and sometimes other parties to submit supplemental information in response to questions that were raised today, and allows parties an opportunity to respond to those supplemental filings. Once that process is complete, the commission will consider the record to be final. Once we have all of the supplemental information that we need, we will deliberate and issue our decision as quickly as possible. If there are no further comments, the hearing is now in recess. Thank you.
Anyone? Any hands online? Okay, thank you very much. Hey Gina, you can end the recording and close out the Teams meeting.